up. Don't forget, hit that little like button up there. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making a strawberry upside down cake. Yep, that's what I said, a strawberry upside down cake. This is a very simple, easy, quick recipe. It's even great for the holidays. The summer parties that you need to go to, something you can throw together really quickly. Pretty easy ingredients as well. So I'll link this recipe in the description box. So I'm going to turn the camera around and quickly go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, here are the ingredients. So I have some mini marshmallows. I have 6 ounces of strawberry jello, a white cake mix, some strawberries, some PM to spray the PM with. I have 3 eggs, some vegetable oil, and I'll be using some water. Those last 3 ingredients, we're going to go ahead and make the cake up first, and that's what it calls for: the eggs, the oil, and the water. If you don't buy this particular brand, you may not use those exact ingredients, but that is what my cake mix calls for. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, so as you saw, there's not many ingredients. I went ahead and mixed up my cake batter already. I said my batter called for 3 eggs. It actually called for 3 egg whites, not the whole egg. I didn't realize it until I was reading the directions and mixing it up. So thank goodness I didn't make that mistake. But let's go ahead and put this together now. All right, my friends, so I went ahead and sprayed my pan. I have 2 cups of chopped strawberries, fresh strawberries. So we're going to just lay them out evenly in the pan, just like that. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and take our 6 ounces of Jell-O, and we're going to sprinkle it evenly. Smells so good. Now this is the kind of Jell-O I can handle because it's not wiggly. Oh, it's going up my nose. Okay. And now we're going to take our mini marshmallows. We need 3 cups of them. The cup is about my hand full size. We're gonna sprinkle those on. Oops, that one wasn't a good handful. There we go. A few more right there. Okay. Alrighty. Now let me get a spatula. We're gonna take our cake mix and just evenly pour it on top, just like that. Oh, that wasn't overly even. Every last drop out. I'm not sure if I told you I have my oven on 350. I already preheated that. I can't remember if I told you that or not. Alrighty, let's make sure that's nice and even. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. We're going to bake it for about 50 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. So I'll check it at about 45 minutes just to make sure. And then we'll see where we're at. Alrighty, do a quick test. I think I could go for just a couple more minutes. Alright, my friends, I think we are good. Oh, it smells delicious. Alright, we're going to set it right here in this rack. We're going to let it cool, and once it cools, we're going to flip it upside down. Alright, my friends, it's been 20 minutes. So I'm going to take my knife, go around the edge of it, just push it in a little bit. And then I got my little tray here. I'm going to put on top and flip it. Alrighty. Oops. It's really not stuck to the side at all. A couple little spots like right there. Right there. Alright. Here we go. Alright, y'all. Pray for me. My pan is not, or my tray is not the exact. Let me see if I can find a different tray, because I'm worried that's going to slide and I'm really going to make a mess. Alright, friends, we're going to have to make this work, unfortunately, because all my trays, I forgot I done that bridal shower, and I haven't met up and got my trays back yet. So we're gonna make this work. Just sliding. Arthritis in my. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. It's not coming out. Well, there it goes. There it goes. Oh no. Oh no. And did it work? That boy's hot. It broke a little bit. Not too bad. Let's see what we can do here. Probably should have sprayed it a little better. Alright. Not too bad, friends. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's fixable. Woo! Definitely fixable. Alright. Let's throw some of the strawberries. Strawberries get stuck right in that corner. Yeah, you definitely want to try to get those corners pushed back a little bit. There we go. Okay, not too bad. Oh, now I'm making a mess. Yay me. Alright, I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and then we will do a taste test in a little while. Alright, my friends, we are going to do a taste test. We have my nephew Will here, and he's going to also do a taste test with me. Tam, you want a piece of cake?
Mother.
You want a piece of cake? Sure. Bill, you want a piece of cake?
Sure. Come on in here. Come visit our friends.
Alright.
She's too shy for the camera.
That's alright. She can talk about it.
Yeah.
Now, keep in mind, I am not a Jell-O person, so the chances of me liking this are probably slim to none.
You know what's funny? You know what's funny is I'm also not a Jell-O person.
Uh-oh.
So,
ooh, look at that.
But those look pretty good.
Alright.
We'll see.
Oh, shoot. That one.
Watch your language.
Alright, here, take that into your mom and to Bill. Zach, did you want a slice as well? Yes? Okay. Alright, friends, we got the whole house trying it. Oh, these look really good. I'm curious now. Oh, I forgot to give them forks. Alright, friends, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, my friends, this is Will.
Hello, friends.
Alright, we're going to try it. Everybody try it.
It's really good. It would be better refrigerated. But
I don't like it.
If you like Jell-O, this is your jam. Kind of like a poke cake.
Whipped cream on top.
Would be good too. Yeah.
Would be good. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I knew I wasn't gonna like it because of the Jell-O. What do you guys think? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Whipped cream would be good.
Whipped cream, whipped topping. What do you think, Bill? Zach, did you try it yet, bud?
No, he's still eating spaghetti. But yeah, so whipped cream on top and it being chilled.
Chilled, yeah. I didn't even know if it said to chilled or not. I didn't think to look that far.
Yeah.
So anyway, friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little like button up there. And also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time.
Bye-bye.